Muthenya wa Thursday, immediately after demonstrations ya Gen Z, nitokoro tukiona a deliberate plan to arrest Rigathi Gachagua. And this is being seen by uria tokoro tukiona Kipchumba Murkomen, CS wa Interior akiaria haria. Na bado tokoro tukiona bunge-ini uria ukoro ukiaria Kimani Ichung'wa, Silvana Sosoro, Junet Mohammed, all the men kuga Rigathi Gachagua is the one behind the Gen Z's demonstration. Na uhoro uyu gwiciria ni ukoretwo ukiaria for the longest time. And I think nikio gitumi kia Rigathi Gachagua ndakoretwo akionekana maandamano-ini because ni aramenyaga maybe he might be implicated in gukoro agituma andu makoro makirurungana. And that is why tuonire Sunday riria kwari na a memorial service Gachagua ndeyumiririe ari kuria Meru akitackle William Ruto effect. Muthenya wa maandamano tukiona Kalonzo Musyoka magithi kuigirira mahua. Rigathi Gachagua was not there. Ari kuria kiama-ini kia DCP headquarters welcome new members. And by the way, Sisiri Kariuki, former CS in the administration of Uhuru Kenyatta, is now in DCP. Muthenya ucio niguo akoragwo welcome. Na maundu maya mothe ni maratiga mundu na ciuria cia why will they implicate Rigathi Gachagua na ona maundu ni macio mothe ndakoretwo ekuo.
I did say here last year during the impeachment process of the former deputy president that this is a dark man with a very dark heart, very black heart. I dare say today, Honorable Speaker, in this house, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua is the one who directed goons he mobilized to go and murder my parents, destroy my property in Kikuyu, destroy the property of the people of Kikuyu in the name of revenge. Honorable Speaker, we cannot build a country that way. That is why, Honorable Speaker, we are asking the Inspector General of Police. It cannot rest at this. Nobody, not Kimani Ichung'wa, not Rigathi Gachagua, not the sitting members of parliament in this house, Honorable Speaker, who are doing this work, and some 2 senators, Honorable Speaker. And as Honorable Junet Mohammed has said, if you look at the trajectory of violence and destruction that visited, you can associate that violence with a particular politician and the area they come from and the kind of thuggery that was going on, Honorable Speaker.
Rigathi Gachagua ni akoro akirekereria statement na of course amejidistance na hiyo story na amesema there is no way he is implicated in that story. We have listened to a misinformed statement from the CS Interior Mr. Murkomen profiling the Kikuyu community that this protest was a Kikuyu uprising. Yet the CS is well aware that the Gen Zs were against corruption, extrajudicial killings, abductions, and anarchy. This is not the first time this statement is coming from Kipchumba Murkomen. I wish to remind you that this community you are profiling voted for you to unman and gave life to this regime. We have further seen futile and insensitive efforts by government propagandists run outdated narratives of a blame on patriotic politicians who have stood with Kenyans. Please, give us a break. Why will they do that? And is this going to give William Ruto mileage in Mount Kenya and in Kenya at large? Mirurugano mingi ntukoretwo tukiona hena mundu ukoretwo akiblame especially kuma hidiria ya baba ni afaga mururugano na after hapo hivyo tunaona akiblamiwa because of the looting the adoria makuite na maundu macio mothe at least yo netuonaga haria wana siasa hena mundu marable but right now implicating that Rigathi Gachagua niwe ufagite maundu maya mothe iretagwo a Kikuyu uprising ati afagite Gen Z acio othe marari taoni. Then Rigathi Gachagua must be so rich kana he must be so convincing and so persuasive. Gen Z's, I don't think Gen Z's ona nemakinyete gukoro me that cheap ati no mathikirerie Rigathi Gachagua on an issue of like maandamano ati tondu Rigathi Gachagua ni atwira tumire ri ona tondu turabanga kumira kiria ri reke tumire tuthukie kiria tuthukie property cia andu in the name of ni ndioi ni amara advice ka ni amaruma na intelligence ici but there is clearly something wrong. Na nikio onyonire abunge aria makoragwo me allied to Rigathi Gachagua ta Wanjiko Muhia akĩũria was Rigathi Gachagua in Homa Bay tondũ man mũrũrũngano ũrarĩ nginya Homa Bay. Was Rigathi Gachagua in Eldoret? Was he in Kericho? Na tondũ ona kũu nĩ kũrarĩ na mũrũrũngano, does it mean that Rigathi Gachagua ndio amepanga hiyo mambo yote?
Was Honorable Rigathi in Homa Bay? Was Honorable Rigathi in Mombasa? Was Honorable Rigathi in Kakamega? Was Honorable Rigathi everywhere?
Order.
What are the effects of giving these charges to Rigathi Gachagua again? Rigathi Gachagua againire popularity area few muno kĩrĩma-inĩ na even in the whole country because he got impeached na akĩdandĩra hype ĩyo ũru mũno. In fact, Rigathi Gachagua is an opportunist. Ndangĩona opportunity o na agĩkorwo akĩmĩdandĩra. Angĩkorwo nĩ ũhoro ũcio wa impeachment, I am sure alipigia hesabu zake akaona let them impeach me nigetha ngorwo na grounds kana sympathy harĩ andũ. Ni kwena grounds za kwenda kwa wasee niwaambie mbona nginya ni maradutire k. And we can all see penye ngori imewaleta uhoro ũyũ wothe na Rigathi Gachagua go play victim ni ureheire thirikari ĩno ngori ĩmwe nene mũno. And so if they go that route of arresting Rigathi Gachagua taugo toigwa kũrĩa bunge-inĩ makiuga, what are the effects? Of course Rigathi Gachagua matingĩkĩmũraga, ũcio matingĩmũraga tondũ mangĩkĩmũraga naye rĩu nĩ gũthũka rĩu biũ. So provided Rigathi Gachagua nĩ akuma kũu nathi na mbere na siasa yake, jua watakuwa wamemuongezea sympathy ingine juu ya kukuwa impeached na nimagũkorwo mamuhete mileage ĩmwe nene mũno. So by thinking that if they arrest Rigathi Gachagua nimegũkorwo magĩthũkĩria Rigathi Gachagua, very big joke. I would rather hena maũndũ marĩa Gen Z marenda, and it is out there. The issue of njũragano icio cirathi na mbere cia borithi ziishe, man. Accountability. We need accountability. There are simple things. Nĩ maũndũ raithi mũno William Ruto agĩka na mbogi ĩkorwo ĩ fiti nake, but the fact that arenda kũhũthĩra the long route of maybe kuga nĩ tribalism. I mean, for how long are you guys going to vindicate Rigathi Gachagua for tribalism? Omurutire deputy president for tribalism, which you cannot prove. Thaishi ati there is no weekend egethira otaiguite mwana siasa allied to KK people akiuga yule mtu mkabila nigetha ici Gen Z meyumeria organically. It is Rigathi Gachagua. I think you are the problem. Now if that happens, nigo corona maũndũ maingĩ mũno meko happen siasa-inĩ because it will give Rigathi Gachagua a very big mileage. So if I were Gachagua, Gimera provided nitatoka hapo alive and healthy, bring it on. Dear maoni maku megi uhoro, you can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.